Hello world and welcome to Today in History. Let's get started. In 1690, the first paper money in America is issued in the colony of Massachusetts. In 1815, the world's first commercial cheese factory is established in Switzerland, and in 1882, circus owner P.T. Barnum buys his world-famous elephant, Jumbo. In 1913, the 16th Amendment, creating the federal income tax, is ratified. In 1948, Dick Button becomes the first world figure skating champion from the United States, and in 1967, Purple Haze is recorded by Jimi Hendrix. In 1982, John Sharples of England finishes disco dancing for a record 371 hours. In 1990, New York Met Darryl Strawberry voluntarily enters an alcohol rehab center. And in 2011, lawmakers in Nepal vote to elect a new prime minister. Born on this day in 1894, is legendary artist Norman Rockwell, and on this day in 1950, actress Morgan Fairchild is born. Patsy McClenney, in Dallas, Texas. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all next time. I'm History.